In the realm of men's health, erectile dysfunction stands as a common challenge impacting millions globally. However, a new frontier of hope emerges with regenerative therapies, showcasing potential breakthroughs in restoring both structure and function to affected erectile tissues. Join us at Actual Edge as we delve into the promising landscape of regenerative treatments for erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction affecting 30 to 65% of men aged 40 to 80 is a prevalent condition with significant implications for quality of life. As a multi-leveled issue influenced by both physical and psychological factors, the quest for effective treatments has led researchers to explore innovative regenerative approaches. Projected to affect 322 million men globally by 2025, erectile dysfunction poses a considerable burden. Its impact extends beyond physical symptoms, often intertwining with cardiovascular, metabolic, and neurological conditions. Traditional treatments, though effective, come with limitations, prompting the exploration of regenerative alternatives. Conventional treatments, including oral medications and invasive procedures, have long been the mainstay. However, the advent of regenerative medicine introduces a paradigm shift, aiming not just to alleviate symptoms, but to regenerate damaged nerves and muscles. Let's explore some of these cutting-edge regenerative therapies. Harnessing the power of platelet-rich plasma, regenerative experts have discovered a potent tool for improving erectile functions. Packed with growth factors, PRP stimulates the endothelial nitric oxide synthase pathway, demonstrating moderate efficacy in clinical trials. Intriguingly, PRP therapy exhibits a promising link to nerve regeneration, offering a multifaceted approach to erectile restoration. In the realm of shockwave therapy, low-intensity extracorporeal waves emerge as a novel contender. By inducing angiogenesis and enhancing microcirculation, LISWT holds potential in revitalizing erectile function. Clinical trials showcase varied responses, emphasizing the need for further exploration and refinement. Stem cell therapy, a beacon of regenerative promise, taps into the remarkable properties of stem cells. Derived from bone marrow and adipose tissue, these cells release growth factors promoting tissue regeneration. Clinical trials highlight significant improvements, raising hopes for a less invasive, long-term solution for erectile dysfunction. Dehydrated human amnion membrane, a rich source of regenerative elements, emerges as a frontier in nerve regeneration. While clinical trials showcase early benefits in the recovery of erectile dysfunction, the debate around long-term efficacy unfolds, steering the course for future research and refinement.